What's happening, traders? Welcome to another video. It's Emmanuel from LiveFree Effects, and today I'm bringing you another trader talk. First trader talk, episode 1, talked about why you should keep your dreams to yourself. Today's episode, we're going to be talking about don't let your fears stop you from living the life that you want, right? The life that you dream, whatever that life is, whether it is you becoming a full-time trader, whether it is you becoming, a business owner, an entrepreneur, whatever that goal is. Concept of success, before we even dive into it, success is the realization of a worthy idea. So it never really matters what the goal is, if it's to be a millionaire, to be a billionaire, as long as you have something that you set for yourself and you want to go about the achievement of that goal, right? That is success. So it is not letting your fears, stop you from doing the things and living the life that you truly want to live. And I think a lot of us fall into the habit of letting our fears keep us captive. Fear is a good thing. Fear is, it has its benefits, and we're going to talk about some of the disadvantages in this video. But one of the benefits is, so fear is there, right? It is a biological instinct that is meant to keep us safe. If you don't have fear, right, you don't have the ability to sense danger. And regardless of whether you are in the animal kingdom, you're the lion, you are the top of the food chain, right? As human beings, we are technically the top of the food chain, but you still need to have a sense of fear, because when danger approaches, you need to be able to go into a fight or flight, and fear is the response that is going to allow you to do that. But in life, fear is also there in the subtle way, even after millions of years that we have evolved into the humans that we are now. We no longer live in the physical dominant, survival, go out there, hunt, right? We live in the technological age, right? Where a lot of the threats that we were faced, the saber-tooth tigers and all of those things are no longer there. But now we're still facing the same instincts, right? We're still afraid, whether it's like, hey, how am I going to pay my bills, right? I need to maintain this job, this sense of, this false sense of security, so I can continue to live my life how I want to live my life. And I think one of the things I learned over the years is you can't let fear stop you. And a lot of people are going to tell you exactly what you should do and how you should do it. And everybody has an opinion. Opinion is one of the cheapest commodities on planet Earth. It matters not, right? It matters not. From a few people, yes. But the most important thing is execution. And in order for you to execute, you have to move past your fear, right? And you have to not let your fear stop you. The reason why I'm talking about this is because I don't know where you are, right, in your journey, but fear is something that is constantly following us. Even for me, I still have things that I want to do, right, that I'm afraid of. Things that, whether it's, a business that I want to start, oh man, it's going to take too much capital. What if I lose that, or something, right? Maybe scaling up my trade to a different lot size. That's going to be a lot. My account can handle it, but fear is always there, right? Fear is always there because it wants to keep you safe, it wants to keep you comfortable. And I'm here to tell you that if you are going to achieve the life that you want, you have to get away from fear. You have to understand that, hey, the fear is going to be there, but you have to do it regardless. You have to keep moving, you have to keep fighting, and you got to keep pushing. I'll tell you a quick story. There was a story of a guy. This guy, he always walks down this street to get to where he needs to go every single day. As he's walking down this street every day, the neighboring dog will run out and chase him. And this guy, scared, afraid, why is this dog chasing me? Right? You don't want to get bit. You're going to run. Most of us would run. I run away. He runs every single day, right? He runs every single day. And, sometimes he takes a different street. Sometimes he forgets that, hey, you know what? Maybe this dog's not going to come out. So today I'm just going to walk down this street. And before you know it, boom, the dog comes out. And the chase begins, and he's running again. Ultimately, gets to another street, the dog stops, boom, and he takes another street. But that takes like a couple of minutes, sometimes half hour out of his day. And he never goes down the path that he truly wanted to go down originally because of fear. So one day he's walking down the same street. The dog comes up, starts chasing him, and he starts running. And then instantly he stops, thinks to himself, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Am I gonna keep letting this dog chase me every single day? and then take another street, go a different path. So he stops in that moment, faces the dog. Brief split moment of him facing the dog. As he's about to hit the dog, drive the dog away, he realizes the dog has no teeth. The dog that's been chasing him for months now, years now. Now he decides to face that dog and he realizes the dog has no teeth. That's how a lot of us are. A lot of us are running scared from the life, the goals, the dreams that we want because we are afraid of just the fact that, hey, we could fail, right? We could lose money. You can make an investment in yourself. You can buy a course. You can, get started with a mentor. Whatever the case might be, you can take that trip that you can, whatever it is, we're running scared because of the illusion of fear. And what he realized that day was he was running scared from a dog that had no teeth and it was all bark. Now I'm approaching this point in my life where I'm starting to make certain observations with the people that I grew up with, men, who are around my age, maybe they're approaching your 30s and your 40s. And there's this disconnect of like this sense of hope that you see when they're young and when they're, when it's like, you're hopeful. And now I'm seeing it, there's hope leave your eyes, even before they hit 30 in your 20s, right? It's happening at such a young age now. And it's shocking because I'm like, you're 21, you're 22. You should be so hopeful about life. You should be so, ambitious. Where are you going? What do you like, what can you do? What can you make out of your life? And I think the older you get and the more you ignore your goals, your dreams, and you let your fear stop you, the sooner that happens. And for me, that's one of the things that's been able to allow me to maintain my vibe, my aura. Like if you spend time around me, it's like my brain is I win. I win. And it doesn't mean I'm not gonna lose, but I find a way. And that's because I followed my heart. You have to understand that it is heart over fear. You are going to feel the fear in your brain. But if the goal that you are trying to accomplish, that you're trying to realize is important to you, you gotta follow your heart. And there's a saying that goes, anything that is worth doing is worth doing badly. If you haven't been taught. If you have been taught, it is worth doing right. But if it is worth doing, it is worth doing badly until you get it right. So don't be afraid to mess up. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. And my philosophy, especially when I quit my job to start working for myself, to start paving my own path and to go down the path of trading and entrepreneurship was simply that, hey, this will always be here. This opportunity will always be here. I can always go back to this job or something better. But if I don't take the risk and bet on myself and believe in myself, this opportunity may never be here again. Be wary of the opportunities that you're pushing away, because I too also don't believe that you only get one shot in life. I think you can create as many opportunities and as many chances as you want, but the drive and the desire to do that is what fades. If you are, at a position right now where you're like, man, you don't have the desire, you don't have the motivation, that's okay, right? It can be developed, but don't let fear stop you from realizing your future. Don't let fear stop you from living the life that you want. All the things, amazing things that you're seeing people do, you are just as capable. They are not anything special. I'll leave you with this. The wealthiest place in the world is not Dubai. It is not London. It is not Toronto, right? It is not Africa. It is not, you name it. It is not it, right? If you're thinking of a country, you're thinking of a royal palace, it is not it. The wealthiest place in the world is the graveyard, because that is where a lot of dreams, a lot of goals, a lot of ambitions have been buried by people who failed to not go after what they wanted. Ideas probably, bigger, better than the Apple, right? The MacBook Pro, any big company, there are better ideas out there that never came to life because of fear. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Trader Talk. Just leaving you guys with this. It's a little bit raw, uncut here. And hope you guys took something away from it, right? Hope you guys remember to go after your goals, right? Don't let your fear stop you, right? It's there to keep you safe. It is not there to improve the quality of your life. And in today's day and age, it is extremely important that you increase the quality of your life and the quality of your family's life, right? The people around you, so you can inevitably have the experience and enjoy life to its fullest capacity. This is what Live Free Effects is all about. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, hope you're out there living free. Cheers.